Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. In this video, I am going to talk to you about universities in New Zealand and their rankings, and we will compare them with Indian universities where the competition is such high that most of the students are not able to get admission, be it undergraduate or postgraduate. So we are going to compare different universities and we will just try and analyze that how much you would be willing to shed off if you want to get into IIT. And the answer is that you will be investing a lot of time because there is no way you can get into a top ranked Indian universities without appearing for a competitive exam. Whereas if you will study in top ranked university in New Zealand, all you need is an IELTS score, which is a language proficiency exam. Based on that exam plus your marks in your class 12th and your graduation, you will be able to get into a top ranked university in the world without any competitive exam. You don't even need GMAT or GRE. You can just simply get into the university based on the marks which you have got in your 12th and in your class 12th and the graduation. So watch this video till the end so that you get the complete information. We are going to discuss about what type of courses are in demand and how you would be able to get the admission without any trouble. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So first university in the list, if I compare with Indian university, so if I talk about Indian university, the top ranked university is Indian Institute of Technology, which is in Bombay. This university has the highest rank in the QS World Ranking, and this university is ranked on 149. Whereas in comparison to this, the top ranked university in India to the top ranked university in New Zealand, it is University of Auckland, which has the QS World Ranking of 68. Can you imagine? It's half the ranking of India. Now the popular courses here are in data science, artificial intelligence, project management, construction management, and there are multiple specializations which are available, be it for art students, commerce students, or science students. So lot of opportunities and lot of courses are here, including the research as well as taught programs. You have two programs which are 1 year, 1.5 year, and 2 years, depending which program you want to choose. So you don't have to study for 2 years to get your dream job. You can study for 1 year. You will get 3 years of post-study work visa in New Zealand, and you will be able to study at this top-ranked university. Generally, the requirement to study at this university is minimum of 65 to 70%. The higher the percentage you will have in your graduation or in your class 12, the more the chances you have of getting into a bachelor's and a master's degree. So the percentage and your IELTS score of 6.5, not less than 6 for PG, and overall 6 bands for UG is more than enough to get into these high ranked universities. So this is the first university comparison. Now if I compare it with university which is Indian Institute of Technology at Delhi, which ranks at 197, in comparison for New Zealand, you will have University of Otago, which has a rank of 206. This university has lot of contribution in the research which happen in New Zealand. So this is one university which you can prefer if you are looking for a top ranked university based in the South Island of New Zealand, which has a very beautiful scenic environment, peaceful environment, and you will be able to concentrate on your studies without any problem, and you will be able to get into a high ranked university. Now the next in the list is Massey University, which has two major campuses. One is in Auckland, the second one is in Palmerston North, which is located in the central island, North Island of New Zealand. So you can study there also. It has a rank of 239. Then we have Victoria University of Wellington, which has a ranking of 241. Then we have University of Waikato, which has 250 rank. Then we have University of Canterbury, which is 256 ranked in the world. Lincoln University is 362, and last but not the least is the AUT, which is based right in the heart of Auckland CBD on Queen Street, which is just a road away from University of Auckland. So University of Auckland and AUT just is apart from a road which divide both the university. They have huge campuses and lot of international students which go and study there. So what New Zealand is offering right now is they are giving 3 years of post-study work visa post your bachelor's or your master's. So no matter which level of study you want to go for, you can go for a bachelor's, you can go for a master's. The entry requirements are pretty straightforward, and if you're a recent graduate from a good university, you can get IELTS waiver in few of these universities also. So if you are looking forward to study at these top ranked universities in New Zealand, all you need to do is there is a link given in the description. Click that link, get in touch with us, and our counselors will help you get admission and the visa for the coming intakes. You must have a lot of questions regarding the eligibility criteria, regarding the admission process, regarding the visa process, funding, who can sponsor you, how you would be able to take the loans. We are here to solve all your queries. You can write your queries in the comment section, or you can get in touch with us through the link given in the description, and we shall see you in our next video. Till then, if you have not subscribed to us, then do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll be in touch with you with the resolution which will get you the admission as well as the visa. So looking forward for your messages on our WhatsApp. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. We shall see you in our next video. Bye bye.